If you feel stuck, bloated after meals, exhausted by cravings, and watching the scale barely move, I see you. Today I'm giving you a simple, science-aware weight loss and digestion routine using everyday ingredients: cinnamon, lemon, cumin, fennel, Ajwain, coconut water, and green tea. These steps are easy, affordable, and built for real life in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. Why this matters: forget extreme diets. Consistency wins. The routine you'll learn today supports metabolism, belly fat reduction, bloating relief, and steady energy without expensive supplements or complicated meal plans. Morning metabolism, starter cinnamon lemon. Kick in a small pot, simmer a cinnamon stick in 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. Pour into a mug, add a squeeze of fresh lemon, and sip warm. Optional, if you love coffee, add your usual black coffee to the spiced water. Why it helps: cinnamon may support blood sugar control and reduce mid-morning cravings. Lemon adds hydration and a bright flavor, so you start the day feeling light, not heavy. Mindset: this is not a magic potion. It's a cue. You're telling your body, we start clean and calm. Breakfast that works: keep breakfast balanced and light. Protein plus fiber plus hydration. Examples: scrambled eggs with a side of lightly sautéed bottle gourd, lauki, or zucchini. Greek yogurt with berries and a spoon of chia, plus warm water on the side. Why it helps: fiber and water support digestion, curb cravings, and set the stage for steady fat loss. Midday digestion, booster cumin water after lunch. Steep 1 teaspoon cumin seeds in a cup of hot water. Cover 10 minutes. Sip warm 30 minutes after your meal. Why it helps: many people notice less gas, smoother digestion, and reduced afternoon bloating, key for belly fat trouble spots and comfort. Afternoon energy without a crash. If you hit a slump, choose coconut water for clean electrolytes and gentle energy. Great if you're active or walking more. Prefer tea? Have green tea about 2 hours after meals so it supports metabolism without blocking nutrient absorption. For every cup of coffee or tea, drink 2 glasses of water to protect your skin and prevent dehydration. Evening craving control and gut support. Ajwain, carom, tea pre-bed. Add a pinch of Ajwain to hot water. Steep 5 to 8 minutes. Sweeten lightly with authentic honey only if it fits your plan. Optional nightly spice blend. A tiny pinch of roasted fennel plus Ajwain plus white cumin, ground and kept bedside. Take before sleep to support overnight digestion. Result: calmer gut, fewer late-night snacks, and better morning comfort. Smart food swaps and myth-busting. Salt and sauces, heavy sodium, and bottle dressings cause water retention. Flavor with lemon, herbs, pepper, and a measured pinch of salt, not a pour. Bread and rice. Choose naturally leavened or fermented breads when possible. Keep portions steady. For rice, avoid oily toppings and try cooked then cooled rice in sensible servings. Potatoes, bake instead of fry, or soak cut potatoes in water before cooking to reduce starch load. Sweet potato is a fiber-rich win. Fats. If cholesterol is a concern, go easy on animal fats. Prefer plant-based fats in measured amounts. Mustard seed caution. Some use 1/4 teaspoon ground mustard seeds in warm water on an empty stomach. Skip if you have gastric sensitivity, thyroid issues, or any medical condition. Always check with your clinician first. Realistic deficit, real results. Extreme calorie cuts create fatigue and plateaus. Aim for a moderate deficit, prioritize protein plus fiber, and move daily. Walks, short strength sessions, or sports. If you're training hard, discuss a multivitamin with your provider to avoid nutrient gaps as you lean out. safety and consistency. Natural remedies support progress. They don't replace medical care. If you have thyroid disease, GERD, diabetes, pregnancy, or take regular medication, consult your healthcare professional before changes. Small, steady habits compound. If today's routine helped, like this video, share it with someone who needs gentle, doable guidance, and subscribe for weekly weight loss, digestion, and bloating relief tips. Comment routine, and I'll send a printable step-by-step you can put on your fridge.